When I first joined the world of seals, we didn't call it innovation. We simply wanted to make seals better, faster, closer to the customer, made with care. What started as a small workshop near Judenburg grew into a concept that changed the sealing industry. In the late 80s, we had an idea to machine seals directly from high-performance polyurethane tubes. It wasn't perfect. The early material looked like Swiss cheese. But each failure taught us something. Step by step, the concept was born. Today, decades later, the idea remains, enhanced, refined and developed here in Judenburg. From seals smaller than a coin to giants used across the world.
We standardize thousands of sealing solutions and simulate their behavior before cutting a single millimeter of material. Contact forces, pressure curves, deformation profiles. We see many insights in advance. Material properties define geometry. Testing defines limits. Engineering creates the balance.
This is where precision is born, in the collaboration between materials, testing, digital engineering and experience.
Curiosity drives our work. It inspires us to shape ideas with care and supporting the people who rely on our seals and finding the right solution to every challenge.
People often think the machine seal is a product. It is not. The seal we provide is only the visible part. The real value is everything behind it. Engineering, material science, customer collaboration, local production, technology, and the expertise to solve problems fast. Competitors can copy a geometry. What they can't copy is the synergy, the ecosystem of people, knowledge, and the technology that makes SKF unique.
The main difference between our competitors and us is the passion to create sealing solutions. We do not simplify and manufacture seals. We deliver reliability, safety, and confidence for critical operations. Our team is highly skilled. They handle complex engineering challenges and design changes, adapt quickly, and keep accuracy non-negotiable. Introducing robotics has transformed our processes. More precision, more consistency, shorter cycle times, and more time for our people to focus on critical tasks. Our close collaboration with the R&D team is a strategic advantage. When material properties and/or design requirements need to be changed, we adapt immediately. No delays, no compromises.
Behind every order, there is a person, a need, a story. Our customers trust us because we listen and because we deliver what truly fits their reality. Speed matters, but clarity, transparency, and care matters even more. A seal is the final product, but the real value is the confidence to keep moving forward.
This is where precision meets responsibility.
Con SKF abbiamo costruito molto più di una partnership. Il SealJet e i materiali ad alte prestazioni ci permettono di progettare e produrre guarnizioni tornite su misura, intervenendo rapidamente su applicazioni critiche. Ogni giorno condividiamo competenze, dati e test per trovare la soluzione giusta, quella che fa davvero la differenza. Far parte del Machined Seals concept ci rende orgogliosi, perché sentiamo di contribuire al progreso dei nostri clienti e dell'intero nostro settore.
Somos partners de SKF y distribuidores. La empresa tiene un desarrollo de 36 años. Estamos muy presentes en el mercado tanto solar, minero, alimentación en general. Estamos siempre acompañando a SKF, siempre innovando, sacando temas nuevos, adaptándonos al mercado, siempre intentando darle a nuestros clientes el mayor fiabilidad al producto, y aquí tenéis nuestra empresa.
This is the community behind Machined Seals, a global ecosystem, connected and committed. From the chemical recipe of our polyurethane to the moment when a seal solves a customer challenge. This is not just about growing the business. It's about creating a place where customers want to work with us and where our colleagues are proud to contribute. Digitalization is the cornerstone, a simpler, faster value chain, a global engineering network supported by digital tools, ready to deliver solutions on the spot. collaboration, care, and courage are the engine of innovation. Because knowledge is not handed over in a week. It takes time, ownership, and guidance. This is what makes SKF Machined Seals different. We innovate to remove friction, keep your application moving, and let you focus on one thing only: progress.